back to Wig Studio One. My name's Amber and I'm here to show you this beautiful, beautiful wig by Estetica Designs. Now this cute number that you see right here is called Wynter, and it is so adorable. What are you guys thinking? Comment below. So this is Wynter with a Y, W-Y-N-T-E-R. This just came out earlier in the year, winter 2019. And the color that we have going on right here is RH12 26 RT4. So let's talk about this really, really pretty color. Get a look at this. Okay, RH12 26 RT4 is a light brown, if you can see that in there, with chunky golden blonde highlights. I love those chunky highlights in there. Look how pretty. And then you have dark roots. Dark number 4 roots. So adorable. And I think that this color looks really, really cute with these waves and this texture, because it really, really shows off those highlights and just all of that dimension of color. So Wynter has a front lace line and a lace part. And this is a short, cute layered bob with wavy curls and an adorable side swept bang. This bob is angled, so you can see that it is longer in the front than it is in the back. So it has that A-line angled appearance. It tightens up in the back and has the length in the front and has some length on top and is closer to the nape. Even though this is called Wynter, I think that this is a wonderful summer style. So your side swept bang is longer. It blends really well with those longer angled pieces that are in the front, and it frames the face really well. It's really cute and flattering. It kind of has an edgy yet chic look, a little bit choppy, super adorable with those slightly loose wavy curls. And you can use different products to separate those curls, scrunch them up, or use your comb and kind of fluff them out. You can tame it down, give it more volume, and make it look extra fun and full and funky. The possibilities are endless with this cute style. So let's take Wynter off and show you guys the cap construction. So Wynter has a beautiful front lace line. This has extra sheer lace and individually hand-tied knots for off-the-face styling, and it gives the illusion of a natural hairline. You also have a 100% hand-tied see-through lace part, and that allows for a more natural look where you part the hair, if you can see right there. You have an open cap construction for better air circulation and comfort. You have super thin and resilient elastic sides, very stretchy. Estetica Designs also has an extra thin wefting, which also makes it a lot more breathable and lighter. And then you have your adjusters, so you can tighten or loosen the wig and have it fit your head a little bit more true to size. Okay, let's put Wynter back on. The bang on Wynter is 7 inches. The sides are 5.75 inches. Your crown is 7 inches. Your nape is 2 inches. And the weight of Wynter is 2.86 ounces. It's nice and light. And I think I will be wearing Wynter all through summer. Let me do a full turnaround of this cute, cute wig. You guys can get 30% off over at www.wigstudio1 using the code FABFRINGE30. Also, check out their private Facebook group. I will have all the links down below. Check out their Instagram and their Facebook. You guys can head over there and see any deals or special things that are going on with Wig Studio One. You guys let me know what you think of this cute, wavy, edgy, curly, fun, funky, adorable style by Estetica Designs. I love it. And what do you think about this collar as well? I think it's beautiful. And who has a Wynter? Who's tried Wynter? Comment below. You guys, thanks so much for watching, and we will see you later. Bye!